I just ordered cooling fan for my computer and it's arrived. So let's see it. So this is our fan. Let's see it. Where to open this thing? Okay, here we go. It's okay. It's beautiful. And before we just do that, I want to tell you this one has a blue color when it's light up. So let's get this box there. Well, this fan has a DC brushless fan motor, so you don't have to worry about the things gets inside of it. Yeah, it clean itself. And this one is about 40 by 40 millimeters, and it's made in China, and it costs only $1.95. And for some tips of the fans, they will get the air from here and put it out from here, so the air will go from here and they will get inside from here. And what you do, this is the PC case. Let's see, let's say this is the outside and this is the inside. You have to put it like that, so it gets the air from outside and enter it inside. So this fan, the role of this fan is to just clean the PC inside. And about the power, it costs 0.25 amperes and 12 volts. 12 volts is not too much. And now I'm gonna just put it in the PC and I'll show you how it's works. So this is how our fan looks like after we just set it up. And it's blue, and yeah, like I told you, this fan only costs $1. So you could just go ahead and buy it today in the link in the description. And I hope you just like this fan and you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, so I could see you in the next time.